4 years ago, I was down in Key West with my best client, and the Galeon Rendezvous happened to be going on at that time. And I saw 12, 15 of these big, beautiful yachts. We were able to literally walk on almost all of them. The owners were very accommodating and let us get on board. They told us what they liked, what they didn't like, and it was all positive.
My favorite features of the boat are that it's seaworthy. I feel very safe on the boat. I like the size of the boat. I like the layout of the boat. I feel like we can have quite a bit of company on the boat and not be bumping into each other, and people have their own space.
The ride is solid, and there's not been a boat tighter than the Galeon. I mean, it doesn't squeak, and it's a lot of boat. At 28 miles an hour or 25 knots, it just cruises incredible. Big and spacious, it's elegant, it's a yacht.
My favorite feature on the boat is that the kitchen and the dining area is open to his driving station. So this way we can actually be together and still have conversation. This is what I love about it.
I like the openness from the control panel all the way back to the kitchen. We can see all the way out of the boat. We also have the sky bridge and we can go up and see down into the water. And so we like the availability of being able to see and have different control stations.
Got the self-sufficient, ability to the generator. You can be on the hook for days on days. And that's what we like the best. We really like being on the anchor, probably the best. We like MarineMax because they're the one-stop. They take care of the service, for the sale. Everything from MarineMax has been great. Galeon, the product is solid, so you don't have to worry about any problems there. Everything between, them giving everyone the introduction, the quality of the training after the sale, they're behind you 100% of the way.